Uh-oh, do you see that? Do you see that? We're walking. Run, run, hide, 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 wait, hide. They are conversing. They're sisters. They are conversing. They're traveling. They are traveling. They are walking together in a pair. This might end badly. And then there's the infamous Maisie again. Walk around it. Walk around it. Okay. We'll keep following the sisters. Walking. Walking. Oh, jeez! Oh, God! One just attacked me! Hiding. 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 Walking. Oh, God! Jeez. There it is again! We shall sit, and we shall wait. We will watch the elders of the clan. Oh, wait, I think we've been spotted. Hide. Oh, wait, she's still looking. She's still looking. What are they doing? Oh, there's the dog. That dog is the demon spawn. That dog could rip out your organs and eat you. Oh, wait. I think one of them are behind me. Looking. 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 Nothing there. Just Bucky. Okay. Looking. Wait. Whoa! Oh, God! Gee. Oh. Oh. I don't. Oh, she's following me. She's following me. The elders, run! I'm locked in a cave. I'm stuck. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see if I can strike a match. Get some light in here. I think this might be my shelter for the night. I'm just gonna have to stay here. Nice. It's got all the commodities of home. Nice little cave I found. Okay, stay here for the night. Stay out of the rain. Nice rain. Okay. Wait a minute. And it is night time. Dun, dun. Do anyone else hear my heartbeat? I can hear it quite clearly. Father said, let there be light. Oh, going to venture out of my shelter. You're going to see what's going on. Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Surveying. Looking. Well, I'm going to try to get one more glimpse, and then that'll be all. Check it out. It is... Oh, wait, we've been spotted. It's the White family. Wait. Oh, wait. Stereotypical White family of doom. They could eat me at any moment. Oh, gosh! Oh, God, I gotta run, boy!